If you are using an iQOO Z10X smartphone, I will share 5 simple tips to keep your iQOO Z10X mobile phone safe and secure. Number 1. Create iQOO account. Open Setting. Tap Sign in to iQOO account. Sign in with Gmail or phone number. Now, if someone steals your phone, they won't be able to open it without your iQOO account. Number 2. Use a strong screen lock. Open Setting. Tap Security and Privacy. Enable fingerprint or face unlock and set a strong PIN or password so that no one can open your phone. Number 3. Lock important apps. Enable App Lock for apps. Lock apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Gallery, and banking apps. Number 4. Keep software updated. Go to Settings. Tap on System app. If there is any update on your phone, update it every time and always download from the Play Store when downloading apps because proxy apps are not available on the Play Store. Number 5. Control app permissions. Go to Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Permission Manager. Check which apps can access your camera, microphone, and location. Remove unnecessary permissions from suspicious apps, and grant permissions to apps as needed. These were 5 simple tips to keep your iQOO Z10X phone safe and secure.